Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to change language in Nothing phone on smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, open the settings of the phone and choose the system and click on the languages and input. Now click on the languages and choose add a language. Now you can see the lot of languages available here. So you can choose any language you want to add. I will choose Tamil. Then you need to drag up your languages to the top. Now the phone language is changed. You can see that. If you want to change the default language, you need to click on the same settings again. Now drag up the English to the top. So if you want to delete the added language, you need to click on the three button icon at the right side top, then choose remove and choose the language and click on remove. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you.